Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Pictory AI application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pictory.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pictory AI website. Now from this page, if you look around, you will find out that there is no official application for the Pictory AI. However, you can still install the web browser version. So click on the login button at the top right corner first to proceed with logging into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the official Pictory AI dashboard. Now, if you haven't already added your payment method, you can verify your payment method, and after doing so, once you're in the home page, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then scroll over to Save and Share. From this page, if you find the Install button, you can click on it, or you can click on Create Shortcut. Now make sure you check on the Open as Window box, and then you can name the application shortcut Pictory AI. Then click on the Create button, and now this will open up the Pictory AI application within its separate web page. And now the shortcut will also be added to your desktop. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Pictory AI application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.